The history of artificial intelligence, AI, dates back to the mid-20th century when researchers first started exploring the idea of creating machines that could perform tasks that typically require human intelligence. Here is a detailed overview of the key milestones in the history of AI. Early developments. The roots of AI can be traced back to the 1950s when researchers began developing early computing systems that could simulate human reasoning. In 1956, the field of AI was established at the Dartmouth Conference, where John McCarthy, Marvin Minsky, Nathaniel Rochester, and Claude Shannon outlined a research agenda for creating machines that could learn, reason, and solve problems. Expert systems. In the 1960s and 1970s, researchers developed expert systems that used rule-based reasoning to solve problems in specific domains, such as medical diagnosis and financial forecasting. These early systems were limited by their inability to handle uncertainty and learn from experience. Machine learning. In the 1980s and 1990s, machine learning emerged as a new approach to AI that allowed computers to learn from data rather than being programmed with rules. This led to the development of neural networks, decision trees, and other algorithms that could recognize patterns and make predictions. Ethical and social implications. As AI has become more advanced and pervasive, it has raised important ethical and social questions. For example, how can we ensure that AI is used in ways that are fair and just? How can we prevent AI from being used to manipulate or exploit people? How can we ensure that AI systems are transparent and accountable? In conclusion, the history of AI spans several decades of research and development, and the field continues to evolve rapidly. While there have been many advances in AI, there are also many challenges and questions that need to be addressed to ensure that it is used in ways that benefit everyone. Big data and deep learning. In the 2000s and 2010s, the explosion of big data and advances in computing power led to the development of deep learning, a type of machine learning that uses neural networks with many layers to process complex data. This approach has been used to create impressive applications like image and speech recognition. Robotics and autonomous systems. In recent years, advances in AI have led to the development of robots and autonomous systems that can operate without human intervention. These systems are being used in areas like transportation, manufacturing, and healthcare.